In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change notification settings on Booksy. First, open the Booksy app on your mobile device. If you prefer using a computer, you can also sign in through the Booksy web dashboard. Either option works, so just choose the one that's most convenient for you. The goal here is to access your account so you can manage how and when Booksy contacts you. Once you're signed in, go to your settings. You can usually do this by tapping your profile icon or the main menu, then selecting Settings. This is where Booksy keeps your account preferences, including communication and alert options. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to look through the menu carefully, since the layout can vary slightly depending on your device or app version. Inside Settings, find the Notifications section and open it. This is where you'll see your current notification preferences. These settings control the alerts you receive from Booksy, so it's a good place to review if you're getting too many messages, not enough updates, or simply want more control over what comes through. Next, review the available notification options. You may see categories for things like appointment confirmations, reminders, cancellations, promotions, messages, and platform updates. Take your time here and think about which notifications are useful for you. For example, reminders and cancellations are often important if you don't want to miss changes to upcoming appointments, while promotional notifications are more optional depending on your preferences. After that, enable or disable the specific notifications you want. Turn on the ones that help you stay informed and switch off any that you don't need. This step is all about customizing the experience so your notifications feel helpful instead of overwhelming. If Booksy gives you the option, choose how you'd like to receive those notifications. This may include push notifications, email alerts, or text messages. Pick the methods that fit best with how you normally check updates. For many people, push notifications are the fastest, while email can be useful for keeping a longer record of messages. When you're done, make sure to save your changes. This is an important final step because your updates may not apply unless you confirm them. Look for a Save, Update, or Confirm button before leaving the page. Finally, test your preferences. You can do this by scheduling a test appointment if that option makes sense for you, or simply waiting for the next regular notification to come through. This helps you confirm that everything is working the way you want. And that's how to change